Hello and a really big warm welcome to this presentation from Pluralsight. My name is Andrew Mallett, the instructor that will be leading you through managing Linux systems with common shell operations. And look at this, here's a starter for you, Bash. We're using rm-rf, your root file system. It is the fastest way to become unemployed. And don't worry if you don't understand the joke yet, you soon will. But before we get into this, let's go through and take a look at choosing your editor. You can, of course, with a graphical environment, use Graphical Text Editor. By default, we have the GNOME text editor, but also, as we've seen from the command line, we have Nano, and this is the default editor in Ubuntu Linux. But as well as this, there's a myriad of other text editors, including Vim. This is installable. It's more powerful, but has a steeper learning curve. So let's go through now and make sure that we can understand the use of the GUI text editor in our desktop. Using our GNOME desktop environment in Ubuntu, I can move to the bottom left-hand corner and select our applications. From here, I can see the text editor, and I can single-click to open it. If I want to make it easy to open, I can right-click on it in the dashboard and choose to pin it to the dash. Let me just close this down now. So the icon is always going to be in my left-hand menu. I'm going to choose the burger menu and down to Preferences, and I'm going to choose Custom Font, and I'm going to set the custom font just to be a little bit bigger, so we're able to read text better on the screen for purposes just of the video. As I close this back down, now as I start typing, the text is going to be a little bit larger. And of course, it's just a matter of typing the text that you need. For the moment now, I'm ready to save, and I'm going to go to my burger menu and save as, and I'm going to put it into my documents, and I'm just going to leave the default name. So we can choose Save, and then I can close the document down. Now open it up through the graphical environment like this. It's always going to be running as my Tux account, my standard account. But if I want to use this to access restricted files where I need to use sudo, I'm going to have to open it up in the command line. Using Control, Alt and T, I can quickly open up a terminal. So Control, Alt and T. And then, of course, from here, I can use sudo, and the binary name, the executable, is GNOME text editor with dashes in between. And let's try and open up the etc and host file, the file that we edited earlier and put in the extra tab. So I can go through and hit enter on this, authenticate into the sudo system, and we can see then the file opens, but now with administrative privileges. So I can select the tab and delete that. And now I'm just going to go to the burger menu and choose File and Save, and then I can close it down. So of course it can become very convenient editing files in your graphical environment. It's just finding an editor that suits. The simple built-in editor is the GNOME text editor.